YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you Sling TV today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you and walk you through what Sling TV is, what it has to offer. So let's go down to Sling TV. I have this app installed on my Amazon Firestick. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install this on your Amazon Firestick today. And Sling TV, as you should know, you can replace your cable television with this. If you're familiar with Hulu and other services such as YouTube TV, this is one of these services as well. It's live streaming TV. If you're familiar with my last two videos, I showed Hulu and I showed YouTube TV. Sling TV is another TV service exactly like that. You can catch up on all your favorite TV shows. You can also catch up on some hit movies, some kids' favorites. Sling TV also has a DVR service if you like to save your TV shows and catch up on them later. At the top you have My TV, On Now, Guide, and Sports as categories. There's 4 of them. I'm hovered over the On Now tab. So we have news, kids, lifestyle, action and adventure, comedy, drama. You have all that. And if we go back up to the top and go to Guide, we'll then drop down. This is where you'll see all your TV shows and channels. You'll see what's on the schedule, what's coming up, what's going to be playing soon. You'll see the time it's playing, what season it's on, what episode it is. You'll see everything here. They also have the grid menu here where you can look at it as the cable style TV guide. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just find something that I can play for you just so I can show you how quickly everything loads. So I'm gonna click on Boston Red Sox and I'm gonna click on watch. Once I do, it immediately loads up and plays. You can see it's in HD quality. I'm not gonna show the whole thing because due to copyright. But if I continue to scroll down the list, you'll see all the channels. They had AMC, BET, A&E, HGTV, all the main primary channels that you would see on a cable television network or like DirecTV, AT&T, anything like that. So you have a wide variety of TV shows. That's the end of the list there, but you can also click on see all content, and then you have some additional features in here where you can look at some extra deals. The DVR is in there, and just some how-to if you have questions on what else is offered within Sling TV. So if we make our way to the right, you'll see a few options in here. You'll see combat sports, soccer, motorsports, and that's about it. Some strange categories, but it does offer a lot of things. I'm just going to slide over to the right and show you that the search part works. So I'm going to go ahead and just search for The Walking Dead, and as I type in walk, it should start to auto-populate. There it goes right there. So I'm going to go down and click on The Walking Dead, and then you'll see all the seasons here. Same thing as normal. You can catch up on all your TV shows and everything just by using that search bar. And they do have all the episodes except for the season finale right there. And we'll go ahead and go back so I can show you what else it has to offer. And I'll go back. I'm gonna move over to the settings. So the settings area is here. If I go down, you'll see you'll have parental controls, you have DVR, you have support, you have closed captions, you have device, connection, and over-the-air channels. Under the connection, you can make sure that you're on the best, highest quality for your audio to play back. And those are your settings. So if I make my way back, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the main screen, which is My TV. And once we're on My TV, you'll then see down below My Channels. And if you click on Add, you'll then be able to click on all your favorite channels, and you'll be able to put those on the main screen, and it'll tell you exactly what's playing and for how long and what's next. So you'll see Miss Doubtfire's on AMC, then you'll see TNT, TBS, and then FXX for browsing on-demand content. And you can also add as many of those channels as you like to show up on the front page. So I do want to show you one last section in the guide. So if we go to the guide and then we go all the way down just one time, and then on the on-demand section you'll see all of these TV shows and just something that you can just go down directly to. If you're unsure of what you want to search for, you can come down here and search for it here on this bar. There's a number of popular TV shows and movies here, You can just scroll through all of these and continue scrolling until you see something that piques your interest. Alright, so now we're on the home screen of our Amazon Firestick. So to install this, the only thing that we need to do, left to hover over the magnifying glass, and then once you are hovered over the magnifying glass, you'll see the keypad down below. Just go down to those letters, and then you can begin to find the S, and then go ahead and start to type in Sling TV, one word or spaced. Alright, so as we type in Sling TV, you'll then see it populate down below, and just go down until you're hovered over Sling TV and click on Sling TV. It should then load up, and then under apps and games you should see Sling TV as the first app there, and then you want to click on it. And then once you do, you'll then see one download option, which if you just click your middle button on your Firestick remote, it'll then go into a queen and then start downloading. Alright, then it gets installed. And then we'll go ahead and open this once it is done installing. Alright, so we're going to click on open. And then there we have it. We have Sling TV loading up for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And also, if you have a subscription to Sling TV, let's go ahead and sign in, and then you'll be all set on your Amazon Firestick. There also is a 7-day free trial option if anybody is interested in that. And once again, I'm not promoting that, I'm just giving you all the options that you have. In case you did want to try it out, you can go ahead and sign it for free, and in case you're worrying about them charging you, you can easily just go ahead and cancel your subscriptions straight from your remote, your app, your computer, anything. It's very easy. You can do it from the app, which is very convenient for someone who just wants to try something out, get in, get out, pretty much. But once again, this is Sling TV. I hope you were able to get this installed. I hope you subscribe to Sling TV. It's definitely a great service. I probably wouldn't say it's as good as Hulu or YouTube TV, but it's definitely a great service. So this is Sling TV. Once again, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.